Something seems different. Did action cameras get smaller? Well, at least this action camera did. Here's a GoPro HERO 9 with a Media Mod. And here's the new Insta360 GO3. And it's got the fun little case. With a little flip out screen. And the best part is you can do this, which makes it super tiny and a lot of fun for a lot of really cool and interesting shots. Kind of like this, where you can take it out of the case and it's nice and small, and you can even stick it to things. It's magnetized. And then you can do really fun stuff like this. Oh. And to save you all the specific details around how you can shoot with this and what are frame modes and blah 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 blah, all the other fun stuff, I had an idea when I saw this camera when it first came out. And if you remember last year at my first track day,
not supposed to have helmet mounted camera,
and foreshadowing to the track day that's coming up, I've got an idea. Casey Neistat now. This is my track day helmet. It's a Scorpion something that's Snell approved, and latching visor and all the fun stuff. But what I'm gonna do is, since I can't use the GoPro mount on the front or a GoPro, I'm gonna figure out a way to stick this camera in this helmet. Whichever way I can figure out how to do that, so that I can try to film a helmet view at a track day. Let's see how this is gonna go. Let's see if I can do this. I think we need to go for a ride. Alright, so let's make a test, at least of the audio that's coming through this little GO3. And of course I have to come to a red light stop. Thank you, garbage truck! Oh, that was a quick green. So I don't know if you can hear me or you can't hear me or who knows what it's going to turn into, but this is the sound from the Insta360 GO3 inside of a helmet with a magnet. Now this is the Scorpion R420 XO skeleton blah 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 helmet that I use for track days, but I'm interested to actually hear what this sounds like. I mean, this could change motovlogging for me. This could be the camera. It could look awesome. It could not look awesome. It could be so crappy on the sound. It could be great on the sound. I just don't know. Oh, there was some gravel. I'm not getting on it yet. Okay, so this is visor down. This is visor up. Woo, it's bright. And the color. Visor down, and me talking loudly at the same level, I think. And the color. What are you doing, people? Whoa, that was a fun quick shift. Oh, it's gonna rain! No! You're riding like a jackass. What are you doing, lady? Oh! How did that come off? And that is a one of a kinder, ain't it? Ain't it, ain't it, ain't it? So even after spending then the afternoon fixing that with a bolt from the hardware store, I don't know how it fell out and it was making a lot of noise. I thought this turned out actually really pretty well. This is kind of interesting. I found that it works best if it's upside down and mounted in there, and then you shoot in the freeform mode where you can go back in and you can adjust it, so you could make a short, or you could make a 16:9 regular format like you're watching now, or you could, I think that's it. Yeah, but it was surprisingly okay. I mean, audio wasn't as clear as the normal GoPro, and well, I mean, image-wise, it's not bad. It works. But I'm excited for the track day and how this will turn out. So I would stay tuned for a track update and to see, I guess, what it looks like for me when I ride at the track. Until then, remember, keep riding.